Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be my first hair video in a while. So you guys know that on October 1st I did cut my hair, and then after that I put faux locks in, which I had in for 2.5 months. So this is my first hair video in a hot minute, but we back. That's all that matters. So today's video I will be reviewing, give you guys first impressions, give you guys details about Bread Beauty Supply. I did receive these items from the brand, so thank you so much Bread Beauty for sending these items over to me. But I did want to give you guys a wash day showing you guys, you know, what I thought of the products. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So just some background information. Bread Beauty Supply is a black-owned brand that is sold in Sephora. So I received 3 of their items. This is like their first line of products, and they're starting off with like wash day essentials. So these are the 3 products that I received from the brands. I received their hair wash gentle milky hair cleanser. It's described as a cleanser for curl types 3A to 4C, and I also received their hair mask, which is described as a creamy deep conditioner for curl types 3A to 4C. So I used these 2 on my wash day, and I also received their hair oil, which is the everyday gloss, which is described as an oil for curl types 3A to 4C. I'm gonna know now that in the video I used the cleanser and the hair mask, but I did not use the oil, because I'm not sure if I told you guys already, but I'm trying not to use oils in my hair, especially with, like, you know, my skin being so sensitive. So this item I'm actually gonna do in a giveaway, so make sure you guys watch my upcoming videos if you guys are interested in winning this, as well as other skin and hair care products. But I did want to give you guys some information about the brand first, and then go into the actual demo of me using the products. So the purpose of Bread Beauty's wash day products is to make wash day easier. So they basically want us to spend less time on wash day and more time on everything else that we want to do. So their products are designed in a way to just make wash day easier, which I'm here for, because if you have natural hair, if you have type 4 natural hair, then you know the struggles of wash day. Okay, like, people see your hair, they just like, oh, it's cute, oh my god, you have so much hair, until it's time to wash this and you just like, should I cut it or should I keep it? So I'm definitely here for anything that's going to make my wash days easier. So just some information on the brand and their products. They claim to work on curly and coily hair. Bread Beauty Supply creates hair care basics for not so basic hair. Whether you're into transition away from chemical relaxers for the first time, or you've already been doing your own thing for a minute, we make sure you've got the fundamentals straight. Spend less time worrying about wash day, more time thinking about anything else. So in today's demo, I'll definitely give you guys my thoughts and opinions on if I felt like these products made wash day easier. I did also want to note that these products are silicone and sulfate free for anyone who, you know, is interested in that. That is something that I feel like I've been using more, just because it's more accessible to us. There's so many brands now that give us silicone and sulfate free products. So it's just like, why we want to put things that's not good in our hair when so many brands is giving us the goods? So I did want to note that, but I didn't want to speak too much. So let's go ahead and let's get into the wash day demo of me using Bread Beauty Supply products for the first time. Okay, so we in the shower with it. This is how I'm starting with my hair. My hair is in an old twist out, it's dry, and it's ready for wash day. So that's what we finna do in this part of the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to saturate my hair with water. In case you guys don't know, y'all should know by now, water is a moisturizer. Before we start any wash day routine, we wet our hair to make sure that it can take in the product and get all of the benefits of the products we're about to use. Then I'm going to go in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm just going to detangle my hair before we even get into any products. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know how I feel about this brush. This is, I think, the best brush for natural hair. It is a black owned brush, and I get mine from Amazon, so I'll go ahead and put the link down below. But I'm just detangling my hair from ends to roots. So after my hair is detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into 2 sections. This just makes wash day easier, just to make sure, you know, you're getting all of the bases covered. So I just split my hair in 2 and clip my hair up with my alligator clips, which I also got from Amazon. Now we're gonna go in with the Bread Beauty Supply Hair Wash Gentle Milky Hair Cleanser. This is she, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the product out. So the product smells like milk, I will say that, and it was super easy to get out of this container squeezation situation. It was kind of milky. It had a milky consistency, I will say that, but as I put it on my hair, it did like just soak up into my hair, which I felt like was very weird and different for a cleanser, because I'm used to a cleanser like, you know, sudding up and just, you know, giving the scalp that nice squeaky clean. But we didn't really necessarily get that from this cleanser. So overall, my thoughts after using this cleanser is that I wouldn't use this if I'm looking for a deep clean in my hair. It's just a refresher. I feel like it just gave me a, okay, you need a midweek refresh, I'm here for you. So that was just my honest thoughts and my honest opinions on this cleanser. But this is how my hair looked after I went ahead and shampooed everything up and rub-a-dub-dub and scrub-a-dub-dub. And now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that cleanser out of my hair. I will say that it was super easy to rinse out of my hair. But honestly, overall, my experience with this cleanser, it gave me more of a conditioner rather than a cleanser. My hair was old and dry, but it wasn't dirty, so I feel like I definitely want to try this cleanser again when my hair is dirty, just to see how it will perform. But overall, I feel like it gave me more of a conditioner tea rather than a shampoo or a cleanser tea, if that makes sense. So I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts and opinion on this cleanser. But y'all, I'm looking at this video and I'm like, when my hair got so long? When did my hair get so long? But this is just a close-up of my hair after we shampooed. Nice and curls popping, and hair is moisturized. Now I'm gonna go in with the Bread Beauty Supply hair mask. This is described as a creamy deep conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it out. This product was kind of difficult to squeeze out of the container, so I honestly would have preferred it in a jar, but that's just my opinion. It was nice and thick and creamy, so I went ahead and started applying it to the first half of my head. And you guys, at first the conditioner kind of sat on my head, but honestly, you have to make sure your hair is wet when you're using this, and you have to work it in. And as you guys can see, I'm finger detangling as I am working the product into my hair, which I felt like also helped. But y'all, look at my hair, curls are popping. My hair was so soft, so moisturized. So honestly, this hair mask, I'll be using this time and time again, because it just felt so good on my hair. Like, I didn't want to stop working the product into my hair because my hair felt so good. So I went ahead and let this sit on my hair for 15 minutes as I did my shower routine. And after 15 minutes, this is what my hair was looking like. The product literally just like sucked up into my hair. My hair felt so good. I didn't even want to wash it out, but I knew I had to wash it out. So yeah, hair is nice and voluminous, body, moisture, shine, curls popping, period. So I went ahead and rinsed that hair mask out of my hair. And as I was rinsing it out, my hair was super soft. It was super easy to wash out of my hair as well, which I'm always here for. So overall, I did feel like the experience using the cleanser and the hair mask did make wash day easy. Like, literally, it took me about 10 minutes in the shower, which usually a wash day, like when it comes to the washing, conditioning steps, can take me about 20 minutes. So I can definitely vouch for the fact that this brand did make wash day easier. But this is what my hair looked like after cleansing, after applying the hair mask and rinsing it out. My hair is just looking good. My hair is looking moisturized, and I'm 100% here for it. So that's basically my demo using these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and I hope you guys enjoyed my review of these products. After doing the wash day with these products, I can honestly say that this hair mask creamy deep conditioner is my fave. Like, this, I'm gonna need some more of this. If you're watching this Bread Beauty, I'm gonna need more of this. But this conditioner, super amazing. I would highly recommend. If you wanted to purchase one thing from this video, get her. She's that girl. Like, oh my god, you guys, this conditioner is bae. It's bae. So if you want to purchase anything from this video, I would highly recommend to check this out. But that's basically all I have for today's video. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll put links to all of the products down below. So if you guys are interested, make sure y'all click on those links and help your girl out. Also, make sure you guys subscribe before you guys head out. Give this video a big thumbs up. And until my next video, oh, don't forget, watch some more uploads. I have them right here for you guys, readily available. But that's all I have for today's video. So until my next video, I'll see you guys later.